Hi everyone, welcome to Letter Minute. Today is tips to make pricking iron punch the hole line dot like this. So in theory, it should be like this. A dot line on the look like it appeared on the paper. Right now on the actual one, so I draw a line, yes, and starting point see the holes are about to make shifted or move a bit. But if you don't want to make this happen, I mean make it a little precise, we'll do the precise one. Okay, draw the lines, starting point and end point. Okay, should be here using the same pricking iron. Okay, just knock on it, and I use 2 at least, 2/2. Follow the same hole, make the dot. Okay, let's see the compare. The difference of the hole, I mean the distance of the hole are different. See, about the end line, this is far more go like furthermore too much. This is ideally look alike, see, as designed. So you see like how I demonstrate thing is just slow you down. You just need the same pricking iron normal, but then when you make the dots on the leather, just point on it softly and use 2. If you have like 6 pricking iron holes, it's more better, but if not, just use 2 over the last 2. If you help the dots, the line more precise, I think you can get the idea of it. So if you never watched this before, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you.